how to fix high ping in Roblox. So you just have to follow the steps and procedures. First is make your internet connection more effective. The Roblox high ping issue is most often caused by a bad network connection. You just have to follow below, reset your modem or router. You can do this by unplugging your router from the power. Join a wired internet connection. When compared to the majority of Wi-Fi connections, wired connections offer you a reasonably quick and consistent internet speed. The second we have here is close any unnecessary applications and services. A high ping in Roblox may result from your bandwidth being used up by too many background apps and programs. In this situation, you must terminate this bandwidth causing application in Task Manager. Step 1. Open the Task Manager window by using the CTRL, Shift, and ESC keys. Number 2. Choose the Network tab in the pop-up window to order jobs by bandwidth usage, and then right-click the task that uses the most bandwidth to select End Task. You can then carry out this action one more to end any unwanted apps and services. Next we have is install any updates related to Roblox. A system running with outdated software and device drivers, including the graphics card driver, network adapter driver, and the application itself, might occasionally cause the Roblox hyping issue. Here is where we advise installing any Roblox updates. Update the drivers for your network device and graphics card. Update the Windows 10 to the most recent build version or manually download each update that is available. Install any game fixes that are currently available. Update the game system that Roblox is running on. Next we have here is allow Roblox through your firewall or antivirus. Additionally, the game platform may be blocked or online contact may be restricted by your firewall or a third-party antivirus product. So be careful to add your Roblox to the security programs exception list. You can use the brief guide below as a reference here. Step 1. Search for firewall and then choose Windows Defender Firewall from the context menu. Step 2. From the left pane, select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Okay, so you just have to follow these instructions. Okay, so next we have here is to lower the graphics settings in Roblox. How to do that? A further easy method for reducing Roblox ping is to reduce the graphics quality. Although it may sound unusual, certain players have shown that this technique works, so let's give it a shot. Step 1. Open the Roblox game client, then select Play to proceed. Step 2. To launch the settings window, use the ESC key or click the three horizontal button at the bottom left. Set the graphics mode to manual after choosing it. And step 4, reduce the graphics quality by choosing it now. That's it. Now we will go to our last step. Okay, so the last thing to do here is to just simply flush DNS. Okay, so how are we going to do with that? As was already noted, a damaged DNS cache may be the cause of the high ping in Roblox. This is due to the fact that a built-up DNS cache might degrade the speed of your internet connection. Therefore, we advise flushing DNS in order to step 1. Enter CMD in the search box, then select Run as administrator from the context menu when you right-click the command prompt in the top result within the UAC window. Select Yes. Step 2, the following commands should be entered in the elevated command prompt window in the correct order, pressing enter each one. Okay, so we have here flush DNS in ipconfig. Number 2, register DNS in ipconfig. Number 3, release ipconfig. 4, renew ipconfig, and then reset winsock net sh. So I hope by doing this, it will fix high ping in Roblox. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.